Hey everyone, this is Judi with JLBCrafts. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, thank you so much for giving me a try. Jazpur and I are here to do a reveal of some of the newest stuff in the Girl Boss Anna. She's going to be in the Planner Boss Collective sale this weekend. This is a bonus video, an extra video on Thursday. Let's see, what day is it today? Today's Wednesday. So tomorrow, Thursday, January 20th, and the Planner Boss Collective sale is this weekend, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. So I wanted to give you a bunch of information and just show you the newest stuff that's going to be in the shop. Not all of it, but a lot of it. So let's get going on this. So I have here some of the newest stuff, and there's going to be some restocks as well. And we're going to go ahead and swatch it real quick. Oops. So here we go. Some rose gold, you guys. Rose gold is my favorite. This is my journaling card. It's just a plain card. You can write, you can put in your planner, you can write on. It's got some nice greens. You guys know green is my favorite color. Turn my light down a little bit. It's kind of bright. Okay. So, and then I've got a couple samplers here. Some pinks and some pretty greens. So, all right, so I'm going to open these, but I'm also, so this is the new Love Letters pink set. And then this, I believe, is Abundance. No, not Abundance. Purify, the green set. It's not really green, it's more of a cool, like grayish, almost bluish set. Makes me think of succulents when I see it. So let's get these open and get them swatched. And then toward the end of the video, like I said, I am posting this on Thursday. So I'm going to open these real quick. All right, so I got everything open. So again, this is the Love Letter set. This is going to be so awesome for Valentine's Day. And then this one is called Purify. And I kept thinking green because she had some like eucalyptus and greenery in the picture, but they're more, like I said, of a gray, a dusty grayish color. So let's go ahead and swatch these. I also new to the shop is a few rose gold. I didn't get everything, but here are two of them. This one is called Heartstrings, and this one is basically rose gold swishies. I'm so excited. And then I got, I think these just came back to the shop. These are days of the week, perforated days of the week, white and black. And we're going to swatch the white ones over black paper so you can see what they look like. So let's get going on the swatches. I do have a video on my system for keeping these organized because sometimes the colors can be a tiny bit similar. So if you're curious as to what these numbers mean, I will link that video in the cards up above. But let's at least get started swatching these. So I can fit both of these stacks of 5 on one page. So let's go ahead and do it. So Love Letter, the pink one, is the January, and then Purify is the February. So let's go ahead and put them. Not that I do put them in order, but I'm going to put them in order. So I'm going to speed this up a little bit while I get these all swatched out, because this could take a little bit. And this is just I'm just using my palette knife here to pull these swatches off the roll. I use this in almost all of my planner videos, and I will link it in the description box. It's a great tool for getting underneath the edge of stickers and repositioning them. Such a beautiful ombre effect with these pink ones. Oh, I can't wait to use those in a Valentine's Day spread. All right, so let's write down what they are, and then I'm going to number them as well. All right, now we're going to go ahead and do the February ones. This is called Purify. And I'm really anxious to see what these look like on the page. Some of these darker colors, it's hard to tell sometimes until you get them on white paper. There you go, you guys. So these are brand new. Yes, definitely. I know it's probably not showing up on camera, but these top 3 are really dark, bluish, greenish, gray kind of a color. I think that's going to look really nice on Valentine's Day with the pinks to kind of give the feel of rosebuds. Can't wait to use these. Definitely look for these to show up in one of my Valentine's Day spreads for sure. Now I'm going to go back to the very first page in my swatch book of Girl Boss Anna stuff, and I'm going to put this black, I'm going to just tape runner in this black sheet of paper so that I can swatch my the white ones. She does have some tapes, overlay tapes that are made for blackout spreads. They are coming back this year. Lots of great things planned for this year. I didn't discover Girl Boss Anna until those were already gone, so these are the first ones, these white days of the week, that I've been able to get my hands on. But she has assured me that those are coming back. So look for those over the next 6 months. I will trim that later. Okay, so let's see what these look like. So first thing I want to show you, because I think these are going to be a great accompaniment for the Valentine's Day. I cannot wait to do a Valentine's Day spread with these tapes all across the top. And these are not perforated. This is just a continuous piece of tape. I don't think they're perforated. Are they perforated? Oh, they are perforated. Okay, I lied. They are perforated. So these are going to be the perfect size for your vertical boxes in your Happy Planner. They're 1.5 inches, so there's 3 inches there. In your classic size, I should say. But I don't know if you can see those. That is rose gold foil. I love that. It's so cute. Those are going to look so cute at the top of my vertical spread. I cannot wait to use them. And then here is the other one. And I'm not going to number these because they're pretty easy to tell apart. I number the other ones because they're so similar. They're subtle differences. Okay, so this is the rose gold swishies then. Oh my gosh, you guys. Rose gold is my favorite foil. They're not super, super, super shiny. They're perfect. So there we go. Awesome, awesome. I cannot wait to use these. But these are perforated as well. And then let's look at the days of the week. So you get, I have 2 rolls of each one. I got the black and the white, and there were a couple different fonts to choose from as well. I went with the all caps block letter font. But there was one that had a thinner, more stylized print as well. So here we go. There's a Thursday. And that's weird. There's no Friday. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Monday. Oh, so Friday, Saturday, Sunday must be on the other roll. Well, let's just double check that. Because there I've got a Monday start, so that'll be ready for my Happy Planner. Although it doesn't really matter if you're going to use all 7 days. And they are left justified on the little strip of tape so that you can put the date on the right hand side if you want. But since it's clear, you could totally center them yourself if you wanted to put the date above. So this must be Friday, Saturday, Sunday. So if you want to do just the weekend, then you've got this roll. So yep, there's Saturday. I'm going to put it up there. Yep, Saturday, Sunday, and then should be Friday. Oh, to do and Friday. Okay, there we go. That makes sense. I'm going to put this right here so I remember that's there. There we go. Okay, so on one roll you have to do Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and on the other roll you have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. So let's do the white ones too, you guys. I cannot wait to see how the white ones look on black. I'm going to have to do a blackout spread here in the next couple weeks just to use these. Don't sit on the laptop and stop my recording like last time. Okay, so there's Tuesday. And if you press that down, yeah, it totally disappears. That's pretty cool. Let's put one more on there, Jazz. I can't find the end. There it is. Gosh, I don't know how you get this started if you didn't have a palette knife, you guys. There we go, you guys. That's what it looks like. The white on the black. I know it's tiny, but I think it looks pretty darn good. I can't wait to use them. So, all right, so let me give you all the information, and I will also link all this information in the description box of this video, and I will have an Instagram post as well with all the information. So this is part of the PBC, the Planner Boss Collective sale, which the winter sale, they do like a quarterly almost, I think, which runs tomorrow. It starts tomorrow, Friday, January 21st through at 9 a.m. Eastern, which is 6 a.m. Pacific, through midnight Sunday night. So 11:59 Eastern, which is actually 9 Pacific if you're out west like me. I'm in Seattle. So this is part of that sale, the Planner Boss Collective sale. Anna is going to open the shop though today. Today is Thursday when this is posting. She's opening the shop. It did open at midnight, 12 a.m. Pacific, which is 3 a.m. Eastern. It's open, but don't check out. Load your cart, you guys. Load your carts, but don't check out. The code to actually check out and purchase for 20% off is going to be available Friday morning, and then you can go ahead and check out. So like I said, the code will be available when the Planner Boss Collective, the PBC sale opens. Follow them on Instagram if you want more information. That's where I first found Girl Boss Anna last summer or last fall, was during a Planner Boss Collective sale, and I fell deeply in love. If you watch my channel, you know that. So but you'll get the code as soon as the Planner Boss Collective sale starts, which, like I said, is 6 a.m. Pacific or 9 a.m. Eastern on Friday, and then you can check out. The reason that's important is the first 25 orders each day of the sale get 2 free samplers from different shops. These are an example of the samplers. And it is a progressive sale for Girl Boss Anna, so for every $25 you spend, you get an additional free sampler here. So this is 4 swishies, and you can pick which one you want. I will have a picture. I'll pop the picture up right now on this video. The picture, and each one of these different sets has a number, and so what you do is you put the numbers in the notes on your order, and that way you get the particular sampler that you want. So if you spend $50, you get 2. If you spend $75, you get 3. And then this is, you get a free sample of your choice. Let's see. First 25 orders each day get an additional, get 2 samplers. So if you want to break your order up into multiple days and you don't want to pay the shipping, if that's your plan, then after you place your first order on Friday morning, email info@girlbossanna.com with the order number that you get back from her website, and she will happily combine the shipping so you don't get hit with all those extra shipping costs, and that way you increase your chances to be one of the first 25 each day. That's Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Hopefully that was clear and not super confusing. I hope you liked this video. I hope you love my videos where I use these swishies. My new favorite pen to write on these, Friction's writes on these, but the team, the PR team that I'm one of for this first 6 months of 2022 recommended micro perms, and oh my gosh, you guys, they write beautifully on these. I use it every morning to write on these, and it does a great job. So I hope you like this video. I hope you're excited about the shop opening back up today, and shopping the 20% off sale, which is a great discount for these, tomorrow all weekend, the 21st through the 23rd, as part of the Planner Boss Collective sale, the Girl Boss Anna overlay tapes. So if you like this video, please consider liking and subscribing and shopping the sale. Oh, one last thing, if you use Judi 10 outside of the sale, you still can get a 10% discount, and if you put my name in the notes, you can get my journaling card, which has the blues and greens. Just you can use it for all kinds of different stuff. So I hope you like this video. If you do, please consider liking and subscribing. Thank you.